Today we will show you how we repair this Audi key. Customers pointed out a button doesn't work, specifically the lock button. We can see that there is no frequency output. Okay, let's disassemble the key. And take the PCB out. It is obvious that the lock button has fallen off. So how to solve it? Just need to solder the button back in place, and we will have completed the repair. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, this button has been soldered. Then we solder the other buttons again, so they can be stable in future. Then reassemble the key. And change batteries. Okay. Insert the blade. Okay, now the buttons work. Let's test it with the frequency tester. Button works fine. Keys repaired.